Now, another way of showing data is in a bar chart. Now, bar charts are very similar to pictograms, but they use bars instead of pictures. Now, the great thing about bar charts is that you can get information very quickly just by looking at the sizes of the bars. Now, before knowing anything about this bar chart, I can see that the most popular is walking. Let's go backwards a little bit. Let's study what this bar chart is all about. The important thing up here is this title, How Year 4 Travelled to School. So I know what the general topic of the bar chart is. And then you've got two subtitles. So down this side is the number of children, and at the bottom is the type of transport. So in the survey, they're asked if they came by car, if they walked, if they came by bus, or if they come by bicycle. Now, another very important thing that we need to consider is this here, the scale. The scale means how much does it go up each time. You can see this goes up in twos, so we go from 0 to 2 to 4 to 6 and 8 and so on. So understanding this scale is essential in order to be able to answer the questions correctly. So all our data is laid out, and we can see some information like, for example, 12 of the students come to school by car, whilst 14 walk, and 8 take the bus, and 10 come to school by bicycle. So you can see the purpose of the bar chart. I can see that information very quickly and very easily, and that's why bar charts are effective. Now, all of this information here, it came from this year, and this is called a frequency table. Now, frequency just means how many. So it tells you there how many came by car, how many walked, and so on. So this frequency table would be used to make this bar chart. Now, finally, remember we are interpreting data. That means we're reading it and we're coming to conclusions. So what is the most and least popular way to get to school? Very easy to see in a bar chart. This is the highest bar, so walking is the most popular. This is the lowest bar, so taking the bus is the least popular. And then how many children walk to school? Again, I can use the bar chart to effectively work that out. So here is walk, and here is how many children, and it is 14 by looking at my scale. So your job is to read the bar charts on the next page and to interpret the data that you see. Remember to look at the title, the subtitles, the scales, and the categories, and the size of the bars.